to my channel. It's Caitlin here, and today I'm going to be doing a hairstyle video for you. I think I have around 10 hairstyles to show you. I'm not too sure how many I've filmed. Most of these I do wear a lot throughout the summer because they're really great at getting your hair off your face, and I just feel a lot more fresher and not so sweaty when I wear these hairstyles. So they're definitely perfect for summer, and obviously you don't need to use heat with these hairstyles because your hair is all tied back and off your face and there's no need for hot tools at all. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like these type of videos, then definitely give this video a thumbs up to let me know. And if you're new, then feel free to subscribe and join my channel if you're just passing by. I think without further ado, I will just get on and show you the hairstyles. Let's go. So for hairstyle number one, I'm going to begin by pleating the front sections of my hair, as you can see here. Just a plain simple braid all the way down to the bottom. We're back to a middle parting, so I'm just splitting off my hair here, and then I'm taking the front section of my head and I'm going to begin by twisting the two halves together twice, and then I'm going to continue twisting and adding in sections to the twist from underneath. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, but basically with every twist I add in more hair to the lower section. It basically creates the illusion of a French braid. It's a lot easier and a lot faster, so if you struggle with French braiding, then definitely try out this twist. we're going to take the two front sections of my hair and pull them to the back. Then I am just tying those two sections together, and then similar to the previous hairstyle, I'm just flipping that underneath itself. So I'm repeating that again, taking two sections from the side of my head, tying it together, and then flipping it underneath itself. And then, as you can see, I'm just repeating that for a third time. And this is the completed third hairstyle. It's basically just a fancier, spiced up version of a half up, half down hairstyle. It gets your hair off your face, but it also is just super pretty and very elegant. This hairstyle would definitely be super appropriate for a wedding or a garden party in the summertime. Sections of your hair, it looks like this. Mine aren't super neat, but if you did do it a lot tighter, it would probably be a little bit more effective. And this is completed hairstyle number 10. So those were all the hairstyles which I had to show you in this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you found my hairstyles helpful and a source of inspiration for your summer. And yes, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!